Hi, very good evening all. Recently one of my subscriber, the name is Vishal Roy, he asked me 7 questions related to the roles and responsibilities of a marketing officer in the public sector bank. And in this video, I will try to answer all those 7 questions. Okay, we'll start from the first question, the job role. Job role of a marketing officer. Earlier, I have also uploaded one video explaining the job role of a marketing officer in the bank, and in that video, I explained two verticals such as asset and liabilities. Now, third one is also there, that MSME portfolio, where the all the commercial loans we have to deal with. Uh, Suppose someone wants to start his own company and needs funding, then this vertical will deal with them. Someone wants to start any kind of thing, this will this vertical will particularly deal with that. Apart from that, the other verticals are liability one, who are dealing with current accounts, lab and saving accounts, credit cards, insurance, these kind of things, and the government schemes like APY and all. And the third one is of asset, where I am working, where we have to deal in retail products like home loan, education loan, personal loan, and vehicle loan. So these kind of products we have to deal. Okay, the next question is my role. I'm working as an assistant manager in asset side. Okay, so I'm working as an asset marketing officer. I have to deal mainly in home loan, education loan, vehicle loan, and mostly work with home loan only. As I am posted in Bangalore, the ticket size here particularly is very good. We can easily get the loan accounting to the ticket size of 70 lakh, 80 lakh, 1 cr. Till now, the maximum amount of loan that I have taken care is of 3 cr, and right now I'm working on a loan of 3.5 cr. And for that MSME portfolio, no, I want to say some name, like that Sankar. He's of my batch, and he's working in Delhi in the MSME portfolio. Apart from it, uh, uh, one is in Goa. The name is Swapnil Sanyal, and in Bangalore, the name is Amit Bhatt, who is working in MSME portfolio. Okay. The third question is of target. Yeah. We all have particular targets. In this video, I will talk about the asset side. We have here target is of 3.25 CR, and it is not important that throughout the whole country every asset officer have same target. We have different targets. Depend on the place we are posted, and in 3.25 cr na, some bifurcation is there, like a particular amount of education loan is to be there, a particular amount of home loan is there, and same for the vehicle loan, and that mortgage loan is there, takeovers are also there. Okay. And question number 4 is, what happen if we are not able to achieve our target? Okay, if we are not able to achieve our target, we have to justify what are the reasons why we are not able to uh, achieve our targets. Whether the reasons are genuine or the problem is with me. All of my colleagues are achieving the target, or is it only me that who are not able to, that who is not able to achieve the target? So we have to identify the reasons. So if we are not able to achieve the target, the next question is, who will help? Okay, so I am combining the answer of question number 4 and 5. When we are not able to achieve our target, our colleagues, our manager, and our team help us to achieve the target. Okay, so teamwork is there, and it's all about how relations you build with your colleagues. If you are helping them, they will help you. If you are working, you have to understand that if you are working according to the vision of your manager, then manager definitely will help you. You have to understand what does manager actually wants from you. Because some sites are there where uh, the marketing officers are working for 5 6 hours a day, in a month, and 5 6 hour day, or in 20 to 24 days in a month where we have to work. Don't take it like that, 5 6 hours in whole month. Okay. 5 6 hour day in a day they are working, and they are able to achieve their target in December. Their annual target is completing in December only. So targets are achievable. These targets are not like that you won't be able to achieve. Targets are achievable, it's doable. In the worst case scenario, if you are not able to achieve, then your team will help you. And especially in the Union Bank, the UBISL is there. Okay, I think that right now Union Bank is the best bank. Not because I'm working here. I know one of my friend, he is working in other bank. I don't want to take the name of other bank. I don't want to talk bad. I respect each and every bank, but maybe this is the reason that Union Bank gave me the opportunity to work as an officer. That is maybe that is the reason why I respect it the most, and I will always respect this bank the most. For me, the Union Bank is the best bank to work with. It was, it is, and it will be. Okay, the next question is office timing. Well, you are working as a marketing officer, there are no office timings. You have to work according to your customer. If you are done with your work by 5 o'clock in the evening, then it is okay. If your customer want to meet you around 8 o'clock in the evening, then what could you do? You have to meet with them. It's all depend on your bonding, on your chemistry with the customer. So particularly no timings are there. On paper, the timing is 10 to 5. Particularly answering your question, on paper, the timing is 10 to 5. But which I have experienced, timings are not there. And the timings are not important. Your work is important. If you are able to achieve target by working 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour in a day, that is good. If you can maintain this thing, that is also good. But if I talk about me, there are some days when I have to sit or I have to work by 5 o'clock in the evening, and there are times when I have to work by 8 o'clock. And not just me, all of my teammates, all processing officers, my RLP head, and my seniors, and all the people who have joined with me, they all sit, and it's not a big deal. You will enjoy. Okay, more than any other thing, you will enjoy working in the bank if you have good people around you, and it's also depend on how you build up relations with them. As I am in Bangalore, I am living alone here. My family is not here. My family is in Delhi. I'm Delhi based, and here I love to be in bank. My chief manager is Mr. Hari Narayan, and amazing guy. And I think till now he's the best leader to work with. And my seniors, I got three seniors: Tirthankar sir, Akshay sir, Ravindra sir, and these are the best seniors. They helped me a lot, they guided me a lot, and I was not able to learn in the 21 day training, which they taught me in 7 days, 8 days. And basically, when you are working in a bank as an asset marketing officer, you have to work on layer. That is loan application registers and loan application register. And in training, I don't know why it was not there, and it was the most basic thing that we have to work on. And when we came back to our office after training, our seniors only who taught me, and my colleague Pankaj Bharadwaj, he joined with me, and we learned more from our seniors than from our training. Yeah, I think the same view is of Pankaj too, because once we were discussing the fact that whatever we learn in training, it was good. We got to meet with different students of different regions. Students not, actually I was in college, so multiple times it happened with me that I took the name of students, the word students, rather than taking the name colleague. But that's fine, that is okay, happens. Okay. Coming to the next question of Vishal Royce, pressure. Pressure is there? Yes, pressure is there. Government is paying you 1 lakh rupees. If you calculate your salary, it is around 95,000 a month. If government is spending that much on you, then government expects work. That government expect work from you. Yeah, government want, the your manager want. You have to justify your salary. If you are not able to work, pressure is there. If you are able to work, pressure is not there. It's on you how you take pressure. And if I talk about myself, my particular experience, I have not felt that much pressure. Yeah, pressure is there. We have to achieve our target. We have if we want to apply for promotion, as after 3 years we are able to apply for promotion, and the rule is that every year we have to achieve at least 75% of our target, so that we are eligible to apply. But by achieving your target, I don't think it will work. You have to do at least 110%, 120% of your target, and there are people who are doing 150% of their target. Okay, these things are there. I hope that I have answered all of your 7 questions, Mr. Vishal Roy. And if anyone wants to ask me questions, you have my number. 8076512523. Apart from it, the people who wants to purchase notes on 30th of December, I think the pre-exam is there of IBPS SO, and the mains will be in January. And one more thing that I want to tell you that earlier UBISL was on only 5 locations. Those who don't know UBISL, UBISL is a private partner of private subsidiary. It's a better word. Private subsidiary of Union Bank of India, who are working on the same profile as of marketing officer. And as a marketing officer, we have to coordinate with them. We have to work with them, and you just don't UBISL is there doesn't mean that you have to be dependent on them. You should be in the market. People should know you. You should have good relations with all the builders, developers, and brokers who are there in the market. It should be like that. Okay, so UBISL will now be on 50 locations, so we have to coordinate with them and work with them. And the thing is, we don't have to depend on them. You have to understand one thing, that when you got selected in the bank, you are a government officer. Okay, responsibilities is there with you. Responsibilities are there with you, and those people are of private sector. And if anything happens, for suppose of an NPA happen, and it is possible. Okay, it's not like that the NPA will never be there. If NPA happen, then the responsibility will be of your accountability of yours and yours only. No one will ask anything UBISL. So you have to be very clear with your work. You have to do all the due diligence very clearly. You have to verify the customer. You have to verify the KYC of the customer. Okay, I will in near future I will make a video on asset only, that how an asset officer work in the bank. It will help all the asset officers who are joining the bank, and they will know the basic things that an asset officer have to do day by day, day to day. Chalo, that's enough for the video. If anyone wants to ask any other question, then can ask me. And if you want to buy notes, then you can message me on my number, that is 8076512523 WhatsApp number. Take care. Bye bye. Last of luck.